This elevator serves G5 and G6 here at the San Francisco International Airport. That is lit up, it's just hard to see. Okay, the lanterns are getting progressively worse. The last one had no chimes. This one's just completely dead. Loud chime. I think someone's waiting for it. Going up?
Restroom, which floor, ma? You get up
இது ஒண்ணுதான் இருக்கும். இது இதுதான். நீ மேலே மேலே பாருங்க.
ரெண்டு போலாம் போகுது. இதெல்லாம் அப்படியே முடியல.
அவ்வளவுதான். பட் பேடு போடுது மேலே.
சரி.
I just noticed the buttons are 3 and 2, but the indicator's showing 2 and 1. Anyways, this one has a really nice motor, so we'll listen to it without any riders, hopefully. Is there a permit? No, there's no. Oh, there is.